If Clipchamp is giving you a pipe is broken error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Clipchamp running again, especially if you're trying to open the editor, export a project, or work with Google Drive and the app is just refusing to cooperate. These steps are quick, safe, and easy to try one by one. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Open Clipchamp and make sure you're on the page where the error appears. Sometimes this issue is just a temporary loading problem, so the first thing to do is refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear out a small glitch and reconnect the session properly. If that doesn't work, the next step is to close any other tabs or apps that might be using a lot of memory or internet bandwidth. Clipchamp can struggle if your browser or computer is under too much pressure, especially when you have several video editing tools, cloud apps, or heavy tabs open at the same time. Close anything you don't need, then go back to Clipchamp and try again. Now let's reduce the export quality. If your project is large, exporting at a higher resolution may trigger the error. Inside Clipchamp, go to the editor, choose Export, and then select 720p instead of a higher option. Lowering the export quality can reduce the strain on your system and often helps the export process complete successfully. Next, turn on hardware acceleration. This is a really useful fix for browser-based apps like Clipchamp because it allows your computer to use your graphics hardware more efficiently. To do this, open Settings, go to System, and find the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration. Turn it on, then relaunch the browser or app so the change can take effect. After that, open Clipchamp again and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the issue, clear your cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause strange behavior inside web apps. In Clipchamp or your browser settings, go to Privacy, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear the relevant cached data, then restart your browser and test Clipchamp again. If you're using Clipchamp with Google Drive and that's where the pipe is broken error is showing up, these same steps are especially important, because connection issues between cloud services and the browser can trigger loading problems. Refreshing, closing unused tabs, lowering export quality, enabling hardware acceleration, and clearing cache are usually the best first things to try. If one fix doesn't solve it, move on to the next one. A lot of the time, the problem is caused by a combination of browser memory, performance settings, or temporary corrupted data. Working through the list in order gives you the best chance of fixing it without wasting time. Once you've tried these steps, go back and test Clipchamp again. Open your project, try the export, and see if the error is resolved. In many cases, one of these simple changes will restore normal performance and get you editing again. If this video helped you fix the Clipchamp pipe is broken error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.